Welcome to our comparison of two powerful motherboards, the ASUS TUF Gaming Z790-Plus and the GIGABYTE B650 AORUS Elite AX. Today, we'll dive into their specifications, unique features, and pricing to see which one stands out for your gaming or content creation needs. Let's get started. The ASUS TUF Gaming Z790-Plus supports Intel's latest 12th, 13th, and 14th generation processors, making it an excellent choice for Intel enthusiasts. On the other hand, the GIGABYTE B650 AORUS Elite AX is designed for AMD's Ryzen 7000 series, catering to those who prefer AMD's architecture. This fundamental difference in CPU compatibility is crucial when choosing your motherboard. When it comes to pricing, the GIGABYTE B650 AORUS Elite AX is generally more affordable at $219, while the ASUS TUF Gaming Z790-Plus comes in at $249. This price difference can be significant for budget-conscious builders, especially considering the features offered by each motherboard. The ASUS TUF Gaming Z790-Plus boasts advanced features such as Thunderbolt 4 support and 4 M.2 slots for high-speed storage options. In contrast, the GIGABYTE 650 AORUS Elite AX offers a stylish white design and a generous 5-year warranty, making it an attractive option for gamers looking for reliability and aesthetics. In conclusion, both the ASUS TUF Gaming Z790-Plus and GIGABYTE B650 AORUS Elite AX offer excellent features for their respective platforms. Your choice will ultimately depend on your CPU preference and budget. If you found this comparison helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more content.